So what you can do is take a small pin, give it a pin prick, yeah, just like that, for the air to come out. And here's the second one. Boy, look at this. Wow, this is looking amazing. We'll take care of this ugliness. Now, instead, I'm going to be installing this. It's KTM original, and of course, ready to race. But first, we'll do a little bit of cleaning. That's interesting. There is something in here. So the handlebar is made by Niken, and also it has a number. That's a sign of quality. Now, to be honest, I don't know what exactly this is called. I think it's called chest protector because it protects the chest in case of an impact. Maybe handlebar sponge? Let me know in the comments what is the correct name of this part. This is already looking much better by miles. All right, and now we got the plastic cleaned as much as possible. So next, I'm going to do something that's one of my favorite, and it's going to transform the look of the bike, hiding the defects. All right, so I'm going to be installing sticker kit on the bike, and I'm going to do it with the help of a heat gun. First, I'm going to mock it up. This is one of the most complex parts, and we want to make sure that everything fits perfectly first. The layout of the whole thing depends on the first piece that you stick to the body. Now you can tweak it a little bit with the heat gun, but it's better if you get it right at the first go. It's for kinks like these where you really need the heat gun. And after you redo them, you might want to go pull it out and then put it back at its ease. This is the best that it could stick. Now that I'm done installing this, there is no doubt in my mind that this is much better looking. The one on the other side, I expect the same story with this. But anyway, we've done one, we could do the other. Now it's time to remove this old sticker. And for that, I'm going to be removing the seat. You've got to hate how this is spray painted. First, I'm going to clean it with a sticker cleaner. In fact, this is the first time that I see the battery, and it looks like a quality one. It's called BS. BS battery. But I like this feature where you click here and you see how much you have in that battery. Don't overspray. If you have to, use masking tape and use common sense because the subframe is half silver, half black. So I'm spraying the car cleaner on the clothes and then voila, it's gone. Yeah, let's continue here. You should see the overspray on the other side. It's even worse, but even the tank is sprayed. This one is straightforward. Oh boy, this bike is already looking better. So I still have the rear fender, the other side, and the front fender. I'm not too sure about the front fender because I bought a new one. I'm waiting to receive the new one, and then I'll make a decision whether to keep this one. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, share it with your friends. It will be useful for everyone who attempt to work on tired plastics. All right, so off the camera, I did the main panels on the other side of the bike. And now I'm going to do the air box cover, lid, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to do this black panel. And then we'll be doing this, the rear fender, and it really needs it because the rear fender is in bad shape. Guys, this thing has been taken beating. When you do a piece like this, you want to make sure that these holes are perfectly aligned. And that's where I'm going to start from. I'm not sure if the camera is showing that or not, but there are a couple of air bubbles here. There's an air bubble right here, there's a second one right here. So the tip is, if this happens with you, sometimes, especially when I'm working at night, you cannot see everything going on with you. So what you can do is take a small pin, give it a pin prick. Yeah, just like that. For the air to come out. And here's the second one. Second one is bigger actually. Right, so now there is room for the air to come out. And then what you should do is with the heat gun, make it nice and warm. And then we are going to massage it. Make it nice and warm, massage it. And it will be gone like it was never there. That's it. No more. So I'm gonna get this cable out of my way, and these two screws are 6 millimeters. Always apply the heat gun around the edges. Make sure you seal the deal. Now be mindful that these screws do not need torque at all. These are screws in plastic. If you torque them, you're gonna strip them. Now, boy, look at this. Wow, this is looking amazing. Amazing. I'm so happy with how the bike looks now. And I'm happy especially for the rear fender because right now it looks decent. And these are the 4 guards. Man, this looks decent. All right, so the bike is cosmetically much better now. So man, soon I'll be working on the reliability of the bike. I'll be changing the oil and addressing this seal, the crank seal, which leaks oil, change the oil filters, clean the air filter. And also I'm going to address the condition of the stator cover and the clutch cover. I love how this exhaust looks like. The headers and everything, but there's some rust here. And then it looks kind of old and tired, and especially this muffler, it has been actually taken a beating. So about the front fender, I got the new one, and here it is. This is a smaller size. There is a variation in the color. I don't think that this is the original color. I'm going to keep the original fender. When you do this kind of works, take your time, case the joint very well. Let's get the surface clean. This one sticker is not taking the same exact measurements for the front fender. And this is the only one. Every other sticker was perfect fit on each panel, but this one is different. Man, so here's what I'm going to do. We'll do overlap. And that is we cut slightly from here. And we apply the first layer perfectly on the surface. And then we take the second layer and overlap it on the first. Now, if you like, you can take the extra measure and cut the excess sticker, which, frankly speaking, I think we can do. Most favorite formula for every dirt bike rider or petrol head. This is the chemical composition of the adrenaline. love and passion. Thank you very much for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share the video with your friends so they know how to apply stickers without any kinks. Do it the right way. Take care, be safe, and do it yourself.